Hey, what's up? Happy Monday, traders. Hope your Monday is off to a great start. Great start here. Let me show you something. This is what you want to see on a day of trading. Here's our symbols that I traded today and net realized profit and loss. Notice there is nothing in the negative. So that is how you make. I always transform over here to the spreadsheet so I can keep my monthly total, but that is how you make $2,428 in 1 hour. It's done by 9:30 Central. So love it when a plan comes together. So let's take a look. Tesla did one mighty 90 strategy, $475 profit. Facebook 190 for the runners. Twitter 278, small winner in PLTR 40. Amazon, real nice winner, $1,195. Nvidia 250. Let's take a look and see what I did here. So let's take the mighty 90s first. Tesla. So in Tesla, I got this mighty 90. I saw this bar was higher than this one, and then I was watching it. This bar was higher than this one, and even though it was red, it was still pushing up. It was green most of the time. Now keep in mind these are 5-minute increments. So most of that 5 minutes it was green. At the very end, it kind of popped here and it showed up red, but I still took that as a green bar, as a push up. And then it popped real big here. This bar got higher than this one. So right here is where I got short for a mighty 90. Kind of went against me here a little bit, but I noticed it was struggling to push anymore. And then right here it rolled over, and I got out as this. When it gives me two red bars is when you get out 2 bars in the opposite direction. And so I actually ended up getting out of my last contract as this bar started, because it immediately came down, and got out of 10% on this push here, got out of the second one right about this pivot. So nice trade there. Facebook. Okay, Facebook was a downside runner. And so in Facebook, I took that as a continuation runner. It showed a little mighty 90 pop here with this bar being bigger than this one. But when it was right here, it pushed up, I got short, and it rolled over, and I just went in really small. So I kind of wrote it down to this pivot and got out right there. So $190. Twitter. Let's see. Twitter. It's going to be. This is my new platform, Orion, that we are using at Navigation Trading. Okay, Twitter had a big volume bar right here. So on this little pop right here, I got short for a downside runner. Got out of 10% here. It bounced up, and then I wrote it back. I held my contracts, and then I thought about adding to it right here, but I didn't. When it got down to this pivot, got out right here at this pivot. Didn't want to set through a bounce. 278. PLTR $40. I won't go over that one. Amazon. Let's see. Amazon was a nice winner. So Amazon, big bar right here, almost as big as the first. So when it started to bounce just a little bit, it was green right about there, and I got in, and it immediately fell apart. And I got out of 10%. And when it gave me this mighty 90, this little mighty 90 spike right here, I ended up getting out. So I got out. I ended up getting out right down here. So just that move from here, from here down to here, $1,195. Obviously, if I would have held one contract, I would have had to held it through this bounce right here. And I considered re-entering right here, but I didn't. But man, did it ever fall apart? So when you've made almost $1,200 in 10 minutes, with this push down here, you're a little hesitant to get in and lose that profit. So I just took that $1,200. Finally, Nvidia, last trade of the day. Okay, Nvidia had some big bars here. So big bar here, big bar here, big bar, another bigger bar here. So when it pushed up, bounced up to here, I got short and wrote it down to right here. So I got out of everything. I think it was out of 10% about right here, and got everything down here. Again, it stayed rather small, but $250. It seems like when I'm trading and I'm in a profits and I'm getting it back into trades, I always go small. Although, if I would have gotten a little bit bigger in my trade size, I would have made more. But hey, in about an hour's worth of work, that's how you make $2,428. So good way to start the week. So hey, hope you have a great rest of your Monday. I'll talk to you later. Peace.